Hi there, this is Heather Estes, and I'm a teacher with the Arbor Learning Community. I am learning all about France today with my cultures class, and today we learned how to make a 3D Eiffel Tower. So to do that, I got my idea from a really awesome website called Go Places with Kids. They have so many ideas for all different parts of the world and things to do with your children to learn about places around the world. And so one of those ideas was to make your own Eiffel Tower. They have many other kinds of activities as well as travel tips and things like that. So to do that, you're going to request your very own printable 1 page or 2 of the Eiffel Tower. It has directions included. This person decided to go with painting the Eiffel Tower and then gluing it together. I just went ahead and used some crayons. So here's the basic idea of what you're going to do. My students requested I make a video because I went too fast in class. So here we go. So it says particularly folding directions here, but we're going to cut out on the dotted lines. We're going to cut out on the dark lines. The dotted lines here and here are for folding. Okay, so once you're done cutting these out all around the arches, and you can get detailed if you want or just do as quick as you can. You can also cut out the little square areas here. That's optional. So I have a page that I've already cut out, and I didn't cut out the middle, as you can see. So I used my scissors. Scissors are done for now. And now we're going to fold. So it says particularly on the directions, it says fold in on gray line, fold out on black line. So the gray line, as you can see real close, is here. And the dark black line is here. So we are going to put it to its side, and we're going to be folding this very similarly to a fan. Okay, so we have the dotted line, we're going to go fold in. So we're going to match the Eiffel Tower parts here, and we're going to fold in on that dotted line. So use it almost as to fold it in half. And if you want to get creative and colorful, you can color all the towers different colors. You can make them brown or gray or black like the actual Eiffel Tower. You can get it to where it's the flag. I just used crayons and I colored them first. Just to give you an example how to fold first, this is what you would do. So you're going to again fold on that middle line, fold in. Try your best to get that nice crease. And then this black line, you're going to do the opposite way. So you have to kind of pick it up, and then you're going to fold it using that as a crease line for you to go back. So we're going to fold it out where you see the dots as you fold it. Okay, then you're going to put it back on the table. You have more gray dotted lines in the next middle of the next tower. So you're going to fold in like the fan and bring the rest of the folds with you. And again, on the dark lines, you're going to fold back. So you can even put it backward and fold on that dotted line. Trying to get those creases. It's not going to be absolutely perfect. You can fix it later. Bringing it back, fold it in. You're just doing back and forth, much like you would a fan. And then back. And now you have one tower. It's okay if it's a little crinkly. You're going to fold it one more time in half. And now you should have a flat chunk of folds. So with this one, you'll eventually open it up, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 towers, right? Now you're going to take these parts, and these you're going to be gluing together. So eventually it stands as shown here. Okay, so what you can do, add a little bit of glue. You can make the folds there, but leave it open. Just a little bit of glue, and you can even glue them on the inside if you want to. Just a very little swish, swish, swish of glue. Very little swish, okay? And I'm going to carefully put the ends together first. Matching those together. So it's a nice flat piece. And then I'm going to use those folds as a little guide again. Almost like a paper airplane, like an arrow. Okay, and the author of the website and the maker of this idea, she suggests to actually cut out the sides, but be careful, you want to keep some of them together so that your piece stays together. And if you wanted to, you still could try cutting out the middle. You can decorate it now, or you can decorate it before you fold and glue together. but eventually you have something that stands up nice and tall, like this. La Tour Eiffel, beautiful in France. Now my created one is like this. We use the bleu, blanc, rouge for the flag of France. And I cut out the middle and made it extra special. So any way you do it, it's very recognizable all around the world as the Eiffel Tower. Thank you, everyone, and take a look at going places with kids. Go places with kids. Thank you.